Listen, everybody. So I just did this like cut creasy look, and originally I thought I would have to like carve it out, and that would have taken a long time. But look at this hack. I'm so excited. I cut out this little piece of cardboard, and this is just from like an eyeshadow box. And watch. So line it up where you want it to be. Make sure your eyes like face down. So see? Make sure you really press it hard into your eye. I mean, I don't know how safe this is. And take your dark color and just follow this line. It's hard because you really can't watch what you're doing, because one of your eyes is closed and you can't hold up a mirror because you're using both your hands. But watch. I swear, if you do this, this is gonna quicken getting ready if you want to do anything like this, because you don't have to cut it out, and it's amazing. I'm so excited. You could probably use tape too, but this is what I had. I'm really pressing too hard into my eye, so I'd try to be gentle because I'm seeing spots, but it's worth it. Okay, so I just took a lighter color and I don't know what happened to my camera, but I buffed it out a little bit. Okay, and you ready? You guys ready? Watch. Look at that. It was literally like 2 seconds. This is amazing. And then I would just take your lighter color, because you don't have to worry about being as accurate, and just buff out the darker color to kind of blend it into your skin. And I'll show you guys the finished look, and I hope you try this. I'm so excited. Okay guys, here's the final look, and look at that.